Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones to your PlayStation 5. It's a common question, as the PS5 doesn't natively support all Bluetooth audio devices directly. To get started, you'll need a compatible USB Bluetooth audio adapter. Make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and powered off, ready for pairing. This simple setup will have you enjoying immersive game audio in no time. First, take your USB Bluetooth adapter and insert it into any available USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. Next, it's time to prepare your Sony headphones. Put them into their pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding the power or Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll know they are in pairing mode when you see a rapidly flashing indicator light, typically blue or white. Now, activate the pairing function on your USB adapter. This is usually done by pressing a small button on the adapter itself. The adapter and your headphones should automatically connect within a few seconds, indicated by a solid light on both devices. Once paired, turn your attention to your PlayStation 5. Press the PlayStation button on your controller and navigate to the sound settings from the quick menu. Within the sound settings, go to Audio Output and then select Output Device. Here, you should see your USB headset listed. Select it to finalize the connection. You can now adjust the volume either directly on your Sony headphones or through the PlayStation 5 volume controls. Congratulations! You're all set to enjoy crystal clear, immersive game audio through your Sony Bluetooth headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.